In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Roblox "This experience is unavailable due to your account settings" error. Start by heading to roblox.com and sign into your account. Make sure you are on the official Roblox website before signing in. Click the gear icon in the top corner, then open the settings. Head over to the side menu and select Privacy. Turn off the account restrictions option if it isn't already, as this will limit your account to content that is only appropriate for all audiences. If you're still experiencing the "experience is unavailable" error, then go to the side and select Parental Controls. Go to the Allowed Experiences menu and select 13+. Enter in your parental PIN if asked, or you may need to add one. Select the Create a PIN box and enter in 4 numbers. Select the Confirm your PIN box and enter in the same 4 numbers. Be sure to select a PIN you won't forget, then click the Add button. You will be sent a verification code to your email or phone. Enter it in and your PIN will be set up. You can also select 17+, but you will be asked to verify your age if you do so. Refresh the experience page and the Roblox "This experience is unavailable due to your account settings" error will now be fixed. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.